how to download Adobe Lightroom for free on PC and Mac. So if you want to download Adobe Lightroom for free, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. After opening your favorite browser, you can go with Adobe, search for Adobe, and then go with www.adobe.com, and it will take you to the website. Once you're under your website, you need to select your country. Once you select your country, now here, if you scroll down, then you will have the Adobe Photoshop, the Illustrator, the Premiere Pro, Acrobat. You also have the Illustrator option, which is right here. You can go with buy now or you can go with the free trial, but you can also go with the free trial, which is right here under Adobe Creative Cloud. Now you can go with individual or business or students and teachers. You will have 14 days after your free trial ends to cancel and get a full refund. So you will get a full refund, but you need to wait for at least 14 days after your free trial, which is of 7 days. So go with students and teachers, and then you can go with add a 7-day free trial and then go with continue. After that, it will ask you for the payment method. You need to go with your payment method, add the first and last name, country or your region, the VAT ID, the phone number, and you can go with continue to verification. And after verifying, your free trial will be started. That's how you can get your Adobe Lightroom for free. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.